So guys, here she is. Welcome back to another video. I hope you can hear me as the sun is out, the roof is down, I am in my Abarth 124 Spider. This should be at home and I should be outside washing it as it's Auto Italia tomorrow at Brands Hatch. Well, let me correct that, I've got it wrong. Tomorrow we're going to Auto Italia at Brookland, but instead I'm on my way to Greg's, a local Greg's, to get some lunch, and that way I'm ready to get home and give this a proper wash all afternoon. So now I've just corrected myself in a local Sainsbury's about where I'm actually going to tomorrow. That's what it's all about in this car. Noise and a convertible roof down today because it's nice and sunny and warm for once in here in the UK. But yeah, I've never been to this meet that we're going to on Saturday, so it should be good. It'd be nice to just be at an all-Italian car meet to see like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, what other Abarths are there, Alfa Romeos, of course. We've also got Maseratis. So I'm taking my Abarth 124 Spider. My dad and my mum are going in my dad's rare Panda VIPs. Hopefully that should get some looks. This might not get too many as it's technically more of a common car than my dad's rare Panda VIP is, that is. I wanted to get some speed down this road, but there's too much traffic, so I'm not going to be able to. But the exhaust sounds good whether you're going fast or not. It's now in fully automatic mode, sport button on. And although it's nice to have the music blaring when the roof's down, the sun's out, sometimes it's just nice to have the roof down and no music and just have the monza playing in the background. Guys, I've just gotten to my lunch destination, a local Greg's. Awkward. Yeah, the idea is I'm going to get some lunch and get the Abarth home, park it on the road. It's actually easier to watch the car on the road than it is our sort of narrow driveway. Give the Abarth its first wash in my ownership. Yes, I feel really terrible for saying that, especially as I've got so many detailing stuff at home. I'm really ashamed of how it looks at the moment. But yeah, give her a first wash and get her ready for Auto Italia Day tomorrow at Brooklands. I've got the phone out so I know what one I'm actually going to this time. So I see you when I come back from Greg's. I might go and get a baguette. I try and video, is there always a car next to me? I forgot about this whole sugar tax thing, but I just bought myself a Coca-Cola, as I quite like Coke, the drink kind. Obviously I don't do drugs or smoke, and a Greg plain ham and cheese baguette. And the sun's actually gone in, but I might as well sit in my convertible in the now cloudy weather with my sunglasses on, which I don't really need on. A nice AMG just started up actually, which is why I've also just started recording. It's got a panoramic roof like I used to have in my old Abarth. There was meant to be a few of us convoying down to the meet tomorrow, but a few of us have blown. A few of the Dorset Abarth members have blown us out. Can you hear it? Couple little bops, but anyway, I'm going to get on with my baguette and get home to wash this thing. Right guys, I can't see because it's so bright. I've just washed the Abarth 124 Spider, my car, for the very first time since I've owned it, and I'm not very happy really, because it's like anything. When you wash your car yourself you find imperfections, and unfortunately on my car I found a few imperfections, but luckily I'm not as OCD as I used to be, so it doesn't really bother me that much. It's just a little bit annoying. Just giving her a quick wash, probably the quickest wash, well it's not actually, but I was only on it for a couple of hours or so, ready for Auto Italia Italian car show tomorrow. I'm just going to show you what the car looks like. I've got this, why is that there? I haven't had spots for ages, and this massive one comes up just so I want to make videos for you guys, and just as I'm out about tomorrow Auto Italia. How annoying. So guys, here she is. Whoever this idiot is keeps parking outside our house. It's getting all on our nerves because we have plenty of cars and we need one parked where this stupid idiot keeps parking. Anyway, the wheels look very nice when they're clean. They're so shiny, because obviously on my Competizione they were the matte wheels, so it's nice to have a glossy wheel. So imperfections, I found a couple of imperfections on the two front wheels. It's like where someone sort of painted over a hair or something. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. See that? It's like someone's painted. It's really, really weird. I don't like that. There's also one of those sort of marks in the matte paint at the front as well somewhere. I've put a matte sealant on it for the time being. She actually looks really nice. Like I say, this wheel, glossy wheel, it's nice to have glossy wheels again. They look all nice and shiny. And I wonder if I can find the other imperfection. There it is. See that? See that right there? Here. What is that all about, Abarth? So yeah, it really was just a quick wash this time. I've tried polishing the exhausts, but I don't think they look very good. Some of them, like this side, they look good on the camera actually, but the underneath of them is like going brown, so they probably need some like metal wire polish, wire, sponge stuff to sort of... They don't look bad actually, saying that, they look quite clean from this angle. But the matte looks really nice. Again, there's a few scratches in the matte paintwork. Nothing I've done, but obviously something the previous owner done. Oh, and also, coming back to imperfections on the wheels, there's like a load of scratches, but I don't know, it's a used car. It was used before I bought it, so there we go.
Mister.
this is just a quick little video of me driving my Abarth 124. Part 2 of Auto Italia video coming up very shortly, a few days or so after this one. I'll get it edited and up for you as soon as I can, but I hope you've enjoyed this little Abarth 124 montage. I haven't done any driving videos like this for a while. So yeah, like this video if you like my driving, and obviously if you like the car, subscribe for more Abarth 124 stuff, videos, and subscribe for more car related videos from me in general. Follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in part 2. Laters! Guy just tried to sideswipe me in my car.